Namaste everyone. As the world is facing COVID-19 pandemic, I, Gaurav Kartikeya of 7th Standard, Shikevi English School, Chikbalapura, is going to speak few words about COVID symptoms, COVID pandemic, etc. First, are going to understand origin and spread of coronavirus. Many health experts believe that the new strain of coronavirus likely originated in bats and pangolins, the first transmission to human in Wuhan, China. Since then, the virus is mostly spread through the person-to-person contact. Coronavirus are group of viruses that can cause disease to both animals and humans. The severe acute respiration syndrome SARS virus, as also known as SARS-CoV, in an example of coronavirus. The recent outbreak began in Wuhan, a city in China. Reports of the first corona case started in December 2019. However, it remains unclear exactly how the virus first spread through humans. Spread of COVID-19. SARS-CoV spread from person to person through close communities. When people with COVID-19 breathe out or cough, they expel tiny droplets that contain the virus. These droplets that can enter the mouth or nose of someone without the virus, causing an infection to occur. The most common way that this illness spread is through close contact with someone who has the infection. Close contact is within around 6 feet. Droplets continuing with the virus can also land on the nearby surfaces or objects. Other people can pick up the virus by touching these surfaces or objects. Infection is likely if the person then touches the nose or an eye or a mouth. Now I'll be explaining about symptoms of coronavirus. COVID-19 affect different people in different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. Most of COVID symptoms are fever, dry cough, tiredness. And less common symptoms are sore throat, diarrhea, headache, loss of taste and smell. And very serious symptoms are chest pain or pressure, loss of speak or movement, difficulty in breathing and shortness of breath. Now we are going to speak about preventive measures of COVID-19 pandemic. To prevent infection and slow transmission of COVID-19, do the following. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water before eating and after eating. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between you and your people while coughing or sneezing. Avoid touching your face. Cover your mouth when coughing or sneezing. Impact of lockdown of Indian economy and educational system. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected educational system worldwide, leading to the total closure of schools, colleges and universities. Most government decided to temporarily close the school educational institutes in attempt to reduce the spread of COVID-19. As January 2021, approximately 825 billion learners are currently affected due to the school closure in response to the pandemic. As from the reports of WHO, nearly 800 million people have been affected. COVID-19 has impacted every segment of life like commercial establishment, education, economy, religion, entertainment, food security, tourism, sports, etc. Each and every individual have been affected. Now let me share my personal issues of COVID. Because of this corona, I have lost many of our dears and years, employment crisis in my family, loss of daily wages. Am I and my family taking precautions for this COVID-19? Yes. We never go outside unnecessarily. Wear a mask while going outside. We maintain social distancing. Use sanitizers frequently. As many of our doctors and scientists are working day and night to invent medicine for COVID-19, and here are those vaccines. Bharat Biotech has Covaxin for COVID-19. Serum Institute of Pune has made Covishield. Russian Medical Institute has made Sputnik V. By the grace of our Honorable PM Narendra Modi, everyone above 18 years has been allotted for the free vaccine. I request everyone to get vaccine as soon as possible. Stay home, stay safe. Protect yourself from COVID. I wear a mask. Hope you too. Namaste.